It's 2020, almost 2021, and as business owners that are promoting our businesses on social media, we know that video is super important. But yet, I hear business owners say all the time that they aren't sharing nearly as much video content as they would like simply because they find the video editing process really cumbersome. Now, to those of you out there that are saying this, you're going to have to come up with a different excuse because in this video, I'm going to show you how to create videos easily in Canva that you can use across all social media platforms, including Facebook and Instagram. Hi y'all, I'm Vivian Walton, the seasoned marketer, and I share marketing tips, tools, and tactics with resourceful business owners. A friendly reminder that every week I release a new marketing video, so if you're into that, hit that subscribe button or follow me on one of my other social media accounts. If you aren't familiar with Canva, Canva is a graphic design platform that helps people like me who are not at all graphically inclined to create anything from flyers to social media graphics, presentations, and can now even help us create and edit videos. Personally, I've been using Canva now for a few years and I 1000% recommend it for any and all business owners. This platform will save you time, and I promise you once you start using it, you are probably going to be using it on a daily basis. Now, they offer a free version which is very robust, and I was using that for a couple years up until I started paying for the Pro version, which is $12.95 per month. And the Pro version has some additional features on there that I find to be really useful, like the instant background remover on any image. With the click of a button, it removes the background of an image so that you could superimpose it onto something else. And then also as well as being able to save your branding palettes and stuff like that. But if you want to try the Pro version for 30 days for free, I do have a code, a link below that you could click on, and you'll be able to get 30 days free on that Pro version to see if you like it or not. And then you can always switch back to the free version if you don't find that it's worth $12.95 per month. But I really think that you will find it is well worth the monthly investment. So today I'm going to walk through how to create videos on Canva. For this example, I'm actually going to create this video right here that I plan to upload onto my Instagram page to encourage my Instagram followers to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that they don't miss any future videos. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to turn it over to my laptop so that I can walk you through that process. Before I even log into Canva, I want to be sure that I have all of my video elements ready to go. Now, what I mean by video elements are not necessarily the graphics or anything like that, but I want to have the actual video footage that I want to use in the video I'm editing and putting together, recorded and ready to go so that I just have to upload it to Canva. So what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to record on my iPhone the screen so that it shows them subscribing to my YouTube channel, and then I'm just going to scroll up so that they could see the videos that are uploaded and available for them to watch right now. So that's what I want to incorporate into my video, and I'm going to record that now, and then I'm going to go into Canva and have the file uploaded there. For this second step, what I'm going to do is log into my Canva account, and I'm going to look for a template that I like that I can customize and insert my video. And so notice whenever I log into Canva, I have this, it will auto place me into this recommended section up here at the top. And I have options for Instagram post, video. So I could do this one of two ways. I could go in and I could select video, and it will pull up all of the video templates that are available to me that I can start using. But the one reason I'm not going to do that here today for this is because I'm going to use this video on my Instagram. And if you notice the sizing on the videos they have uploaded, they are more geared for YouTube because it's more of a horizontal video layout. I don't want to use that. I know that for Instagram, my dimensions are going to be 1080 by 1080, and therefore I'm actually going to do this the other way. I'm going to look for an Instagram post template that I can customize, and then I'm going to insert my video in there. And that way it's already sized. I don't have to go in here and hit the resize or anything like that. So for me to do that, I'm going to go back to the home page and I'm going to look for an Instagram post layout that I want to use. So I'm just going to come back here and hit Instagram post. Once all of the templates are loaded, I'm simply going to come in and take a look at which one of these designs I want to use. All right, so I think I'm going to select this one right here. And the first thing I'm going to do is delete this image. I don't need any of that. And for this, I'm going to keep that white. That's fine. It doesn't bother me. But I'm going to change the background on it to the blue that I typically use. And I'm going to change this element right here to one of my other branding colors, and this one here as well. All right, so that works fine. Notice that there was already text in here. I'm going to change the text to white instead of blue so that stands out. And I'm also probably going to change it. Now, what I want to put on here is, have you subscribed yet? And I don't really care for that font, so I'm going to come in and change the font. I like that one right there, so I'll keep that, and I'm going to size it. And turn the element around. So this is kind of in the way. I'm going to lower it, get it to where I want it. All right, so notice that I changed or just moved some of the elements around. I am going to come in here and add a YouTube icon because I'm asking if they've subscribed to my YouTube channel. So let me look for that. All right, so I'm going to select this one right here, and that's going to work perfect, but I need to change obviously the color on this. So I'm going to make it a bright yellow. And I'm going to size it just the way I want. Move it around. All right, so now to add the video element. If you come down here, I can go to videos and select one of the videos that they have uploaded. But remember, I shot my own and I want to incorporate that in here. So I'm going to uploads instead, and I'm going to do upload media. Now, if you notice, for all of this stuff, they actually have it divided by images, videos, and audio. So that keeps it nice and organized. But let me upload the video that I have done. It's stored on my device. Notice that when I select the videos part of it, it's showing that it's uploading. This right here is telling me how far it's gone. So once it's completed, I'm actually going to pop this into my design here. But before I do that, I actually want there to be a skin that it goes into. And by skin, what I mean is there's an element that I can look for, that I can just pop it in there and it will automatically size it to fit where I want it to go. It's going to be under frames right here, and I'm going to click see all. Now the frame that I want for this particular video is actually an iPhone frame. So I'm going to scroll down here and notice they have laptops, cell phones, they have ones that look like Polaroid pictures, all of that good stuff. So I'm thinking I'm going to use this one right here, and I'm going to size it. All right, so notice that I can change the outline of this phone right there if I want I'm probably going to go in and play around with that so that way it pops a little more than what it does. Let me see. Yeah, so see the white right there makes it pop a little more. But I'm going to go back to my uploads now because I want to put the video in there. So the video is uploaded. I simply grab it and drag it into this section right here, that skin, and notice what it does. It actually will fit it inside that template or inside that particular element for me. And that's exactly what I want. Now notice it's playing the video now. So that is absolutely perfect. All right, so from here, all I have to do is simply come to download. A drop-down box appears with the file types that you can download it. If you want, you can download it as an image, a JPEG, a PNG, any of that good stuff. But remember, I made it so that it's a video that I could use on Instagram. So I simply just hit download and it's going to transform it into an MP4 video for me that I can go back in and upload onto my Instagram profile. Once the video has completed downloading, you're going to get this box right here. And so you can just exit out of it. If you notice here at the bottom of my screen, it's downloaded the video for me. So now all I have to do is go to my Instagram profile account and upload the video as a post, and it's done and complete. So I'm going to show you what it looks like on my Instagram feed. Easy enough, right? If you guys are not currently using Canva, I highly recommend and encourage you to go ahead and sign up for the free version. They have a ton of templates that are preloaded on there. And so if you're anything like me and you just sometimes don't know where to start, it helps to have a template that you can kind of go in, change colors, change fonts, and really use as a baseline to build your graphics. So go check that out. For any of you out there that maybe want to switch to the pro version and give that a try for free for 30 days, go ahead and use the link below in my description box. And that way you guys can go ahead and see what type of additional features you could get with that pro version. I highly recommend for the investment of $12.95 a month. It is well worth it, but get your 30 days free with that link below so that way you guys can take it out for a test drive. If you like this video, remember that every Monday I release a new video with information just like this that could help you save time and money when it comes to marketing your business. Also, don't forget to check out my website at www.theseasonedmarketer.com where I have a couple of freebies that are waiting for you. Thanks again, guys, for tuning in to another Monday Marketing Minute. I'll catch you next week, same time and place.